retired Boeing 737 gets transformed into a private villa. Ooh, damn.
Yeah.
Can it still fly?
No.
Oh, okay. So they're just like, you know what? Let's ground it and just turn it into a sick apartment.
Yeah.
Or villa. I don't even. What? No. This is render. Come on, Will.
Well, yeah. I mean,
You're goofing on me here. Yeah. It's sick. It's really sick. I like it. I always wonder about these things like repurposing, whether it's a shipping container or a bus, a school bus, or this is even better, a 737.
The conversion.
Yeah, but then...
Look at that.
No, it's sick.
Just gut it.
It's really
Cut
cool.
everything.
It's really cool. I just still want to fly it. I can't help it. I see a plane. I still want to fly. I just want to fly this version of it. Private jets are cool and all, but this is a villa in the sky. I mean, this is obviously... Oh, my goodness. They put a little
clever,
outdoor seating area in the engine or where the engine used to be. Look at that thing. Damn, dude.
And then the wing is the walkway?
Yeah, that's how you get up to it, to your private villa.
Yeah.
I think people would pay a few bucks on Airbnb for something like this.
Yeah, no kidding.
From returning to the sky to fly another airline to being recycled for parts or moving an aircraft to the boneyard, the possibilities for retired aircraft are seemingly endless. I wondered about contamination and stuff. You got fuel tanks. You got to clean that baby out.
Yeah.
Formerly part of the now defunct Mandala Airlines fleet, the retired Boeing 737 was purchased by developer Felix Demon back in 2021 and transported to its remote location featuring 2 bedrooms. So he's going to build it? Private jet villa by Hanging Garden. It sits 150 meters above sea level and available for rent from April. Nightly rates starting at $7,000. Will?
Yeah.
Well...
Hey.
I thought it was completely just never going to actually be a thing, but he's actually going to make the deal?
Imagine walking into this.
Based on the renders?
Yeah.
All right. Well, $7,000 a night, though. That's even tough for
that's a lot.
A little tough for the Airbnb crowd, dude. He's trying to get the influencer market going. Look, I'm staying in a plane villa. Check out my YouTube short.
Yeah.
They just didn't do the math on whether they, the revenue.
Yeah, $10.
So, my short only made $10. I needed $7,000 for this trip. Oh, jeez.
I'd say the weekend.
This influencer stuff is hard.
Just scratching their head.
Whoops.